Welcome back. Your phone is always hot like fire. This is very abnormal and it is dangerous to your phone and also dangerous to your health. But don't worry, I have a solution for you. Technically, there are two reasons why your phone is always hot. One, it is either your phone is not getting enough energy. Two, or your phone is draining lots of energy. But wait, how could your phone not get enough energy? When the charger that comes with your phone is lost or damaged, now you need a new charger. Instead of you to get the original charger, your village people will start singing into your head and say, go for the cheaper one, go for the cheaper one, go for the cheaper one. Your village people will now push you to that Musa in the market junction. You then happily buy fake charger at a very cheap price, maybe 200 naira or 250 or 300 naira. And you expect that charger to charge your phone without any issue, without any problem. Let me tell you something, that fake charger you're using can also cause your phone's battery to explode. So here the best thing to do is to go get original charger. Start using original charger to charge your phone battery. The second reason is if your phone is excessively draining energy, you are the cause of this. If your phone is draining lots of energy, these are what you are probably doing and you need to stop them. One, you are simply overusing your phone and the CPU also be overworked. This may even lead to your phone hanging or slow. Number two, running several apps without closing them while you still have some background apps running. You open WhatsApp, open this, open that, Google Chrome, everything without closing them. All these apps will continuously run underground and continue to drain your battery, make your phone hot, and before you know, you might not be able to even hold your phone. You'll be looking for freezer or fridge to cool down your phone. Don't even try it. The best thing to do is close all the apps you are not using, concentrate on the one you are using, and you're good to go. Some other reason why your phone is always hot may include: one, direct exposure to heat. Two, bad charging sets, bad charger, bad cord, which I've explained earlier. Three, increase in phone brightness. Number four, trying to use phone while the signal is bad. See, let me tell you something. If the signal is bad, don't even try to use your phone. Just relax. When the signal is bad, the signal is bad. For more of this, kindly follow. You are welcome.